Every time, it begins gently. Something tiny shows up before anyone else notices, and all of a sudden you know something significant is about to happen. After that, they are transformed into dummy units so that producers may get cases and accessories ready for what is undoubtedly the largest tech release of the year. This time, the iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and iPhone Ultra fake units were made available to Max Tech in advance. With 3 models anticipated and the base model probably coming later in the spring, Apple appears to be making some changes this year. When compared to the iPhone 17 Pro Max dummy from the previous year, the camera modules are substantially thicker. The iMusic additional thickness probably indicates something more significant is going on inside, even though everything else appears familiar and nearly unaltered. The larger appearance may be explained by rumors that Apple is developing a variable aperture for the Pro versions. The Ultra is the gadget that will garner the most attention. This is anticipated to be the first foldable iPhone from Apple. This could pose a direct threat to gadgets such as the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Another view illustrates how the Ultra is held in the hand. Remarkably small, simple to handle with one hand, and well organized. The volume buttons relocate to the top, but the camera control and power button remain on the side. The action button is one item lacking, though. There just doesn't seem to be room for it. However, MagSafe is the more important question. As in past years, the magnet positioning is easily evident on the Pro versions. There is nothing on the Ultra. No ring at all, not even a suggestion. Space constraints might be the reason for that, or it might be something more deliberate. Apple has previously withheld functionality in order to make the upcoming update seem more alluring. It seemed like one of those concepts that will always remain elusive. Something that was discussed but never truly materialized. But it's beginning to feel genuine now, gently and softly. It no longer seems far off to have a foldable iPhone. It feels closer than anyone could have predicted. And everything is altered just by that change. Majin Bu claims that there is more to the narrative around Apple's foldable than just conjecture. Something larger is hinted at by the casings, which are transparent, folding cases with a visible circular ring. A foldable iPhone with MagSafe. That communicates a lot on its own. Apple typically adheres strictly to its ecosystem. Additionally, putting something like that into an entirely new form factor implies that this isn't merely a test. It's being viewed as a significant advancement. The hinge appears more compact and tighter. The overall design is more balanced, the borders are smoother, and the gap looks smaller. If this trend continues, it suggests that durability and the recognizable high-end feel for which Apple is renowned will be prioritized. Even the camera configuration remains constrained. There are no large modules or striking design elements, just a simple, minimalist style that perfectly complements Apple's brand.